Today I am here to help you and you and you and you and you and you get the German alphabet right, pronunciation wise. So we are going to, I am going to pronounce all the letters in the German alphabet at least once so that you can get the pronunciation down. As some of these letters have different pronunciations depending on where they are in the word, but it's really helpful to just have a basis. So there are 26 letters in the alphabet, and in the German alphabet, I would say there's about 30 if you count the scharfes S and the letters with umlauts. So hang on, it's going to be a long ride. Let me introduce myself before we start. I'm Carlie Sitzman, and I am a linguist who helps people learn German and communicate effectively. So if that sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and join me for another one sometime. This is going to get kind of long because we're talking about 30 letters here. So I'm going to put a table of contents down below in case you just want to know about a specific letter, okay? Okay. I might sound really boring now, but we got to do it. We got to say the letters. Ah, ah, bay, bay, tay, tay, day, day, a, f, f, gay, gay, ha, ha, e, yacht, yacht, ka, l, m, n, o, pay, Q, air, S, tay, oo, foul, V, X, Y, Z. That's the 26 letters of the English alphabet. Let's do the ones that are unique to German now. Let's start with the scharfes S or SZ. This thing looks like a B. It is actually two S's together. So it can be used to replace two S's, and there are very specific rules about that, which I will not go into right now. Then we have the A umlaut. A usually makes an ah sound. Ah. So when you put the umlauts over it, it changes to an A sound. So it sounds very similar to the German E, which also makes an A sound. So A. Then we have the U umlaut. And the U umlaut and the O umlaut, these sounds don't strictly exist in English. So they're hard for English speakers to pronounce. We're going to try and explain how they sound today. The U umlaut, you can start by saying E, like eagle. While you're saying the E, round your lips. So continue saying the E, but round your lips and see what comes out. So E, I like to tell people it sounds kind of like the ew in ew, gross. But clearly you don't have that E at the beginning. It's just kind of oo, 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 oo. So it's a little muted compared to the U sound, but it's also very similar. Then we have the O. The O. So try making kind of an eh sound and also kind of rounding your lips. So eh, er, 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 er. And you can conceptualize it as you are kind of saying an sound, but you're not quite pronouncing the R. So it's like, you stop right before you pronounce the R. Oh, getting a call. They wanted money. Ugh. Okay, so that was hello, come back. That was an attempt to compare O and U. I hope that was helpful. It's really a challenge differentiating those two. And now that I think about it, I didn't tell you how the double S is pronounced. The double S always sounds like a snake. So the scharfes S, Esset, always sounds like a s. And that's important in German because the normal S will sometimes make a Z sound. Zzz. So when you have the double S, you know guaranteed it's going to make the s sound. Great. Well, I will make another video later with letter combinations to help you pronounce those. But for now, I hope you found my alphabet video useful. And if you like to see more of these videos or be notified when I come out with my letter combination video, subscribe below. Also, give me a comment down below if there are any questions you have from this video, and I will do my best to reply. Okay, so happy learning. I'll see you in the next one. Tschüss.